my stuff is going back to the unit. And that's not all of it, of course. No, we have to do a second load. There's more stuff in the others cars.
Yeah, we've only been doing this almost 2 hours now.
So we're gonna turn left.
Trailer full of dead zombies. We gotta take them to the infirmary. We gotta burn them to stop the disease from spreading.
Yeah, people are gonna be looking like, what the fuck? Here we are. The second load going to the storage unit, and we have like 5 vehicles hauling stuff. All of our helpers. There's been other helpers too. Oh yeah.
That's your trike? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
The Griswolds are setting up the Marcus and neighbors are complaining.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah, that's good.
That might just be their out too, though. Yeah, that's mine. That goes in. I was looking for a weight piece that broke off.
Everything is out of the yard. It's just a regular boring yard now.
We're getting pretty good at rigging these up by now. Not exactly the turbo.
Got him.
Yeah, nothing is called the previous stuff. Oh no. What the hell? I think that's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
There you go. Solution. Does she want any candy?
You don't.
Well, you can take 2 right now. I'm saying.
I don't know. I already ate one. There's some chocolate.
What's in there, buddy?
Ooh, I want to eat some.
It's in there? No way, buddy.
There's one. Yes, you guys. Here's some.
Just dump them all over in the driveway.
I was just gonna say, here you guys put.
Oh, here, thank you. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Take what you want.
Why did they not have
My kid's talking to buying a damn Starburst. You know.
Do we have a lot of candy left over?
Randy, you need to get over that.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Well, we can eat all that.
Well, you own it, so it's yours. Oh, don't show my belly! Ah! Yuck! You know, we
What
had
are
a
you
whole
eating?
bunch of extra ones of those cookies. I bought 100 of those.
What?
I suppose. First 2. Oh.
Ooh, what? One more, what?
Here she is.
Let's throw it up for real on the roof and see who catch it. Ready? I got it. I got it. Oh, I missed it. What happened? That's where it went, huh? Oh, man.
No, I don't want them. I don't want them. Over here.
No, it's over there.
Oh, I had some.
Want to throw it? Good draw. Over here. Over here. Oh, it's close. You got it? Who's this goofball that signed your cast? Girl, how come I don't get a sign?
Candy, you better let people sign.
Ross, we need some help.
Hmm?
Oh, Cheryl, those are heavy. Don't worry about them.
What?
Put them in the back.
What are you watching?
Hi, YouTube.
YouTube? I thought you were playing Fortnite or something.
I'm watching Fortnite.
Oh, of course.
Play Fortnite.
Yep. Yeah, and he's eating too. We're probably gonna donate our money today in a few hours. What the heck? That's another float. That's another one of my floating ones. Oh, here they all are in their somewhat natural habitat.
Looked a lot neater before.
Yeah, but there's a few new ones. So, but yeah, you used to be able to walk in here before this got pulled out, but now you can't.
Need us to bring anything? No. Sure. I'm gonna go home and I already have the taco meat in a crock pot.
There's no way.
I'll go home and whip up some scotcheroos.
They keep making them taller every year, and then you get these idiots that add lift kits yet.
I know, right?
What's wrong with you?
I am.
Are
You got the air
really?
shocks in that one? The air?
I love peanuts. I hope not. They'd be dead by now.
Wes, you got the air in that one?
Okay, lots of
Yes. And these are all ones. Wait. These are all ones that need fixing. Well, there's more than that, but these are all ones that, yeah.
Jordan, you filled up 2 storage units. What's wrong with you?
Push down. It ain't budging.
That's right, don't break it.
You're gonna make me look bad. Thanks a lot. How the hell did you do that?
You kind of pull it out.
Okay, I fucking tried. Sorry for swearing. Hey, now you're just showing off, Wes. Damn it.
That was easy.
Yeah, shut up. That's my line, guy.
Yeah,
Not your line.
I'd rather get one like that.
I'll remember
That
that.
other one that you have off the tailgate.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
locks, Jordan?
Well, there's
Yeah, I put them in the car.
a feature on one of theirs.
Whoop, sorry, man.
Hey, what?
There's a handle that comes up, and then they've got an insert.
All right, we're going to Spirit Halloween to donate our $600 something that we
Yeah,
raised.
like 660-ish, right?
663. Question, where's the money?
Right there. Don't you have it?
Luke?
Well, you left it in the car.
There's something missing here. Money!
Here's all that money.
Did
that
the
we
bison
got.
win yesterday?
Yeah, I think someone got lost.
You want the balloon? Yeah. You ain't getting the balloon. Here's the balloon. You don't got the balloon. Here's the balloon. You don't got the balloon. What? You want the balloon?
Okay. Yep, we're going. All right, let's go, people.
We're donating our money, and I'm like
Hi.
taking a machine and giving their shoe back that they're taking.
Hi.
The lost Cinderella shoe. Hi, guys. Lukey Bear.
The assistant manager's husband was there with their baby kid, and you know, the shoe fell off.
Take
I
it.
don't know if you can see him.
Lukey, do your moves, guy.
I got you my flash.
High on the hill, guy.
Jordan's new animatronic.
He's standing on the rock and doing a Fortnite dance.
If you think
No, it's the floss.
I don't know what the hell it is.
It is a Fortnite dance, but
to me, it's an ants in your pants dance.
Yeah.
or justice. Ow!
You slapped your glasses or face.
See you, Jordan.
See ya. Bye.